Hello everyone and welcome to DIY Airsoft. I've created this flag, this kind of hit marker that you can just like pull, and that way you don't have to use like these vests, or you don't have to put your hand up in the air all the time while respawning. Now what this is actually a cheap shopping bag that I got. I put it inside this pocket here. As you can see, I fastened it using some thread that I got from the same bag actually. So I put a knot here and over here. I had to make like a tiny little hole into this tiny pocket of the vest. And I made another knot, so that way, when you pull, oh, there's some thread here too that you can just like pull if you want to. And since it's very light and very thin, you can just quickly put it back in. So when you're hit, you just pull over here, and it's stuck in there. So you'll never have to worry about losing it or anything. So that's it. That's how you do that. You can get these kinds of bags for free in some stores, at conventions, etc. So it's a really cool hit flag. It's a dead marker if you're playing airsoft or paintball or just any other sport that's into, where you use these kind of flags. So it's really easy. It's fairly invisible. If you really like push it in, you don't even see it from the side. And then if you have like a field that uses these ones, like these flashy fluorescent vests, safety vests, then you can just make one with this. You just grab a pair of scissors and you cut where you need to, as long as it's big enough to be visible to other players. And then you just use this instead of the red one. So as you can see, it's really easy. Pull it out and just leave it there. And that's it. That's how we made that. So I hope you liked it. It's a really easy and cheap way to make one of these. And you can spend like a couple of bucks, $15 to $20 to make one, to buy one, or you can just make one with spare parts right inside your house. So have a look at home in your house if you have these parts, because then it's really easy and it's really cheap. So there you go. This was my first video. I hope you liked it, and please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting if you want to see other DIY things in the future. See ya!